Hi, what's up everybody, Sami here. So this is the Huawei Nova 12 Ultra. In this video, let's take a closer look at it. Alright, starting with the unboxing. So here the front is the packaging, the white one, Nova 12 Ultra. Queen glass. That's one of the highlights on the Nova 12 Ultra. Some information here. Okay, and that's it. Let's just open it. Here we have the pin here, and if we open, we have a phone case, a transparent phone case, and some paperwork, and then the phone. We'll take a look at it later, and let's check out others. Whoa, a VIP card. So 300 VIP card. I don't know what that's for. Also a Type A to Type C cable. And finally, the fast charger. Let's see, it's a 100 watts Huawei super charge, and that's basically the unboxing. Now let's just move to the phone. So let's first take a look at the design. So on top we have the speaker and also the denoise mic. There's no infrared blast there, and on the left side, nothing. At the bottom, we have the SIM card tray, denoise mic, Type C speaker. We'll test that out later. Moving to the right side, we have this volume rocker and the power key. And here the front, and obviously, Huawei again learned from Apple with this kind of dynamic island. Actually, is the selfie camera, which I will list the specs on the screen. And moving to the back, and here it is what it looks like. All right, so maybe from the camera you cannot see it very clear, but it adopts this kind of faux leather with this 3D embossed effect. I'm not sure whether you like it or not, but from my experience, it's like you are buying an LV bag or something. It's of course, Huawei's strategy is like aiming to those young girls who like fashion, lifestyles, Nova here, and also we have the camera module. For the specs, I will just list on the screen. And this time, even for Nova, it comes with a physical variable aperture. Let me show you. Maybe you cannot see very clear. Okay, let me just show you a little bit. Just a second. Let's go to the camera. Here already change it to English. You should go to aperture here, right? And it shows you different bokeh effect with different aperture. So it offers like virtual aperture and physical aperture. So if you adjust the aperture under the virtual aperture, actually it will not change. You will not change. But once you go to the physical, then you will change. Like f1.4, that's the biggest, right? And f2 getting narrower. f2.8 even narrower, and f4. Okay, that's the narrowest. So it supports 4 variable physical apertures. Wow, I like it. For the selfie camera, it has like a wide angle, 0.8, 1, and 2, and here for the bokeh. It seems like it's so horrifying. So for the effect, you can choose non-bokeh effect, stage lights. Let's just choose stage light and took one. For video, let's check out the video. It supports wide, 0.8, 1, and 2 times. Okay, I want select wide, and it supports like 10, 4K. So the front camera supports 4K 30 fps, and let me show you a little bit. Okay, just walk around. Okay, let me just show you around. All right, so you can see. Okay, the angle is just crazy. Wow. Wow. So this is the Huawei shot. As you can see, we have the car here. Currently, I'm suggesting, you know, I'm planning to buy a car, and what do you guys suggest? Please leave your comment below, right? Should I go get Xiaomi's EV? You know, just released today, and I will definitely do a hands-on of it. Actually, I'm translating it right now, so stay tuned. It will be on in several hours, and I'm very excited about Xiaomi electric car. Okay, and that's it. Actually, I really like it. And here you can even switch, like, okay, you can directly switch to 0.8, and here is the main. So looks good, right? And also 2 times. Huh? 2 times. I don't suggest to use it because first, it makes your head super large. Second, the color is different. You see? Okay, that's a 1-time color, 0.8 wide angle, but you want to switch to 2 times. Oh gosh, suddenly you become a yellow guy. Yellow guy. I'm a yellow guy, but so that's the 0.8, and now wide, super wide. I really like this angle. And now let's switch to the back. As you can see here, the shop, everything. Okay, I will just run a little bit to see if it handles good. I also switch, like, whoa, that's the wide. 1 time, 2 times. Okay, sorry. Okay, 3.4, 6 times. Okay, this the 6 times. This ports. That the 6 times barely unusable. 1 time and a wide, super wide angle. So wow, that's it, right? So let me know if it's good or not. But this angle, holy smoke, that's a really wide angle. I don't know. It seems so good. And let me know if it's stable or not. Let me know, right? And okay, I just hold it. Let's take more photos. Alright, so for photos, it supports up to 10 times of digital zoom, no 100 or something. So let me just show you a few samples here. I do want to run onto the benchmark, but the thing is, I cannot download that onto the benchmark test app. And all I got is this 3D bench, so I cannot show you that. And I also tried to download from the website, but it requires password, you know, and I don't know that, so I just leave that as. So let's check out its sound quality. One of the parts you guys really like. And alright, that is the video. Let me know what you think about it. For me, I think it is a little bit overpriced. With this price, there are so many options to choose from, you know. But what do you think about it? Variable aperture, you know, setting the connections, all in this foam. And it looks good, right? So what do you think about it? Just let me know down in the comments. And please subscribe. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and help me get 90k subscribers. And thanks for watching. I'm Sami. Will see you in the next one. Bye bye.